Are you ready to earn $650 daily simply by using Google News? Don't believe it? Because that's what you'll earn when you implement the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. When you're done watching this video, you can implement the things that I've thought about, and you'll be surprised by the earning potential that this brand new online money-making method will give you. Again, that's $650 per day directly to your account. The first step you'll need to take to earn that $650 per day is to go to google.com, because this online money-making strategy relies on Google. Now on the Google search bar, I want you to type in Google News, and I want you to click on this one right here. After clicking that link, you will be directed to this page where Google will show you all the news and current events. When you scroll down below, you will see a lot of articles from different news sources, and these articles will vary depending on your location. So as you can see here, you have this news article which was uploaded of recent. Then you also have this one which was uploaded a few hours ago. You can click any of them. If you want to read more, on the left side you can see the list of categories from news articles. And when you click on one of those categories, more news articles will be shown, which is all about that category. So when you click on World News, you'll see news articles from around the world. When you click on Business, Google will show you business-related news. When you click on Sports, Google will show you news articles about sports, and so on and so forth. For today's video, we will be focusing on the health category since it's something very relevant in these times. So I want you to click on health right here, and you'll be shown news articles about health as expected. Most of the news articles are all related to the pandemic, and when you scroll down, you'll see a lot of news articles, and if you want to read any of them, you can simply click on that article. When you click on an article, you will now need to start copying that article. You don't have to copy the whole thing, just copy the important points. This is a very crucial step because to make money, you need to have some original articles, and I'll show you later on how to do that. So with this step, carefully choose the important points of the article and copy them. After doing that, you will now proceed with the next step, and I want you to focus on this one because this is very essential so that you can earn $650 per day. So I urge you not to skip any part. Now visit google.com to search for Spinbot, which is an online platform for article rewriting, content creation, and text rewriting. Spinbot is one of the best article rewriting online tools, which meets all of our requirements and saves a lot of time and stress. This free article spinner is designed to rewrite sentences accurately. So when you paste your copied article here, Spinbot will rewrite the whole article so it would become unique. So now what you need to do is paste the copied article to the box and click on this box right here which says "I'm not a robot" to proceed with the writing process. Just click on that and wait for Spinbot to rewrite the articles for you. As you can see, Spinbot has rewritten your copied article into a new one that is unique and original. You can now use this to earn those $650. In just a moment, I'll be showing you where you can use Spinbot to earn money online. This step will be very crucial because I'll be showing you a step-by-step process and how to do it. And I will guide you every step of the way because I want you to earn just like I did. Take a look at my earnings from doing this strategy and you'll also be able to earn just like this. So keep on watching this video. Spinbot is an amazing tool that helps us to rewrite any article into something unique. You can also look for other news articles aside from health. Just choose the important points to copy and then paste them all here on Spinbot. Then within a few seconds, Spinbot will rewrite a unique and plagiarism-free article for you. If you guys are gaining something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. I will now show you some websites that you can use to earn money with Spinbot. The first website is called textbroker.com. This website is the go-to content writing service for a variety of projects. It is the proven platform to outsource content creation quickly and easily. Once you're on their homepage, what you need to do is click on I write content right here, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can see how much Textbroker pays their authors. As you can see here, they pay this amount per word. You can check it out on your own and read carefully to have a clear idea of how much they will pay, but you don't have to worry because you won't be writing anything at all. Spinbot will do the hard work. All you need to do is go back to Google News and look for some good articles and then paste it into Spinbot for rewriting. Okay, if you want to measure how much you can earn from this website, all you need to do is scroll a little bit down and you'll be able to see this earnings calculator. You can simply slide this button and you'll be able to see on this box how much you can earn. Let's try to see how much we can earn if we write 2,000 words. So as you can see, they will pay $100 for every 2,000 words. And you don't even need to stress yourself writing articles, since Spinbot will do all the hard work. All you need to do is copy and paste an article on Spinbot and you'll be able to earn money. That's pretty cool, right? If you want to start earning money from Textbroker, the first thing you'll need to do is to create an account. And don't worry, because this is 100% free. All you need to do is click right here and then you'll be directed to this page where you'll enter your personal information, and to finish the sign-up process, simply click on this green button below. Once you have an account, you can now start earning from Textbroker. Another website that we can also earn money from is called lwriter.com. This is where people come to have their articles written by other people. How this works is very simple. Simply create a free account on this website and choose the type of article or content you want to write. Once you have the article, submit the article for review and get paid for the job completed. It's that easy. You might be wondering how much you will receive from writing articles. Well, on this pricing page, you can see that they have 4 levels of writing, which is Standard, Premium, Elite, and Elite Plus. When you scroll down below, you can see how much they will pay you per word. As you can see, the highest payment that you can receive here is $500 for 6,000 words, which is very easy to do using Spinbot. Another website here that you can earn money from is called Scripted.com. Right on the homepage of their website, you can see hire freelance writers to power your content marketing. Basically, this is somehow similar with the 2 websites that I showed you before. The main difference is that this website pays more. As you can see, you can get paid up to $1,299, and all you need to do is create a free account. One of the great things about this website is that they offer a very competitive page. You can write about the things that you know, you could work with great companies, you can build your portfolio, you can work anywhere and anytime, and they have a great payment and project management. To create a free account on this website, simply click on this button right here, and then all you need to do is provide the required information on these boxes and click the blue button to continue. You can do this every day and just keep on submitting articles on the websites that I've mentioned. The earning potential on this strategy is a lot, so you better make sure you do this right away, and that's it. Do you want to learn how you can earn money while you are sleeping? Click here! This has been Rachel's Money Guide. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.